Abut's adventures, this dog takes the lead. Ahoy sailors, off the cargo! If this is what my pup does when I go to sleep, he'll be the billiard pro soon. A Christmas miracle is waking up and finding the house full of balls. Looks like Santa Claus paid a visit. When the owner turns on the sprinkle system, Dog'll be like, "Yum yum, this toy is good."
What are you doing in the Pepsi box? Good. Hello? What are you doing in here? Hello? Good. What are you doing in the Pepsi box?
A new ball was found in the snow. Who knew snow could hide such fun surprises? This papa. There must be a bone buried in here somewhere. Indoors, human. Balcony Book Club. This is your sign to have reading time with your dog. It's like he's chowing down on the best imaginary tree. Thanks for tuning in to our funny dogs playing with toys. Let's subscribe for more tail-wagging fun. Keep those toys rolling, and see you next time.
Getting stuck in sheep traffic. Who's gonna believe that? That awkward start of a lifelong friendship. Now that's the undeniable sign of a foodie. A visual representation of me during mood swing. Planning to turn the watermelon into a house. This must have something to do with his relationship. This goofball just proudly enjoys the moment.
Uy, la sombra del fresnito pega bien.
Gorilla. Find joy in the little things around you must be the precious lesson we learn from this introverted otter. There's no need to hire an entire yacht when you're supported by an all-inclusive tour like this. You'll admit flirting is an art when you witness Greb's flirting dance. Expanding a relationship is not always easy when the penguin's friend request has not been accepted. God's calculation always amazes us when giving a bird a solid nest like this. For a good night's sleep, don't forget to find a quality pillow. Water seems to be a pig's best friend when their nose can show special talent. The stingray become more special with the use of warning predators. The love show seems to be on the dolphin's daily must-do list. If you need the secret to a good sleep, smash the pumpkin is the answer from this jet bear. Not everyone can combine running and swimming like this. Today is the cat's fasting day, so don't try to tempt the cat with this way.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.